What if I told you you could own a Lamborghini for just $5,000? But there's a catch, it's not a supercar, it's a baby stroller. That's right, Lamborghini has teamed up with legendary British nursery brand Silvercross to create the most luxurious baby stroller the world has ever seen, priced at a jaw-dropping $5,165. This isn't your average stroller. It's a limited edition beast, only 500 units worldwide. Inspired by Lamborghini's signature design, the Reef AL Arancio features bold black fabrics with flashes of Lamborghini's iconic orange, giving it that high-performance supercar feel. And check this out, the automotive-inspired handlebars and brake pedal make it feel like you're handling a mini supercar on wheels. But it's not just about the looks. This super stroller is built for all terrains, thanks to its full suspension wheels that absorb shocks just like a real Lamborghini. It's also wrapped in high-performance suede and luxury Italian leather, because why should only car seats get the premium treatment? And just like any high-end vehicle, it comes fully loaded. Inside the box, you get a carry cot, pushchair seat, foot muff, universal car seat adapters, a sun sail, mosquito net, and 2 rain covers, because nothing should mess with your baby's comfort or their style. Let's be real, this stroller isn't just about transporting your baby, it's about making a statement. It's for parents who want to flex on the playground, roll up to daycare in style, and let everyone know, yeah, my baby's first ride is a Lambo. In fact, this might just be the cheapest way to call yourself a Lamborghini owner. Who knew? So, where can you get your hands on this ultra-luxury baby ride? The Reef AL Arancio is available exclusively online and at Harrods in the UK, but with only 500 units, you'll have to act fast. Is it practical? Maybe. Is it over the top? Absolutely. But if you've got $5,000 to spend on a stroller, why not go full throttle? What do you think? Would you drop $5,000 on a Lamborghini stroller, or is this just a ridiculous flex? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more insane stories from around the world, only on Curious Corner.